All right, guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my 18 gauge Dewalt 20 volt max cordless Brad Nailer. This Brad Nailer is very convenient to use because it is cordless and 100% battery operated. I don't need to pull out the compressor, hose, or use any expensive gas cartridge to use it. This machine has a brushless motor, which gives it maximum runtime as well as durability. To use this machine, you will need to put in the battery and make sure the nails are positioned properly in the cartridge. Then you'll want to position the nailer on the wood and shoot the nails in place. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay. This is very convenient for me because I already have Dewalt 20 volt batteries and it is the perfect addition to my collection. So I don't have to go out and grab a separate battery pack to use this nailer. Because this is just a tool only, if you don't already have any Dewalt batteries, I definitely recommend making sure you have enough batteries on hand so your projects don't get interrupted by having to keep charging your batteries. You will also need some 18 gauge nails as well, so make sure you are all stocked up so that you don't run out in the middle of your project. If you are looking for a convenient heavy-duty 18 gauge Brad Nailer from a well-known brand that is 100% battery operated, you'll definitely want to look into this tool.